Okay, we have a question from, this is a question from March 19, variant 62, and it's question number 5. So we have to draw a back-to-back stem and leaf diagram to represent this information, okay? With dolphins on the left and sharks on the right. So we have to follow this instruction here, okay? So you see for the stem here, we have the things in 60s, 70s and 80s, 50s. Okay. So we have, is there anyone in 40s here? No. So we have the things in 50s, 60s, 70s, and 80s. Is there anyone in 90s? No. Okay, I'm just going to write them at a distance so that this should work as my rough draft, okay? For the sharks, I have 68, I have 84, I have 59, I have 70, I have 71, I have 64, I have 77, I have 80, I have 66, I have 74 and 72. Okay, I'm going to write them here neatly. Now this is 9, this is 4, 6, 8, this is 0, 1, 2, 4, 7, and this is 0, 4. And then I'll delete this one. Delete this from here, okay? And now for the dolphins, I'll be writing here roughly 62, 75, 69, 82, 63, then I have 80, then we have 65, I can write it here, 65, then we have again 65, then we have 73, 82, 82, and then we have 72. Okay, this is, please check if I have missed anything here. So now this is going to be 2, 3, 5, 5, and 9. Okay, this is going to be 2, 3, 5, 0, 2, 2, and let me erase the extra ones. So this is all of this is extra. Okay, so this is, I should write the numbers at the end as well. So we have 1 entry here, we have 3 entries here, we have 5 entries, and then we have 2 entries, okay? So 7 and 4, 11, yes, this number is given as 11 here. This is going to be 5 entries here, these are 3 entries, and these are the 3 entries. Now I should give the key for this. Now the key is that I can use any one of them, like 7, 3, and 4 means that is the the weights. Okay, so this means 73 kg dolphin, okay, and 74 kg shark. So that is you must give the key, okay? So this is how you can get the 4 marks. Okay? So that was about the back-to-back stem and leaf diagram that was asked in this March 19 paper. Now in its second part, it says, let me see what is there in the second part. It says, here the second part, it says find the median and interquartile range for the dolphins. Median and interquartile range for the dolphins. Okay, so you know how to do that. You must try this. Okay. Um, so for the median and the interquartile, you should give it a try, Bacho. Okay, I'm just doing this, and in the meanwhile, you should also be trying this. I'm just going to complete this. Okay, with the Dolphins, we have 11 of them. So 11 plus 1 over 2, that is 6. So since we have written all of them in an order, so there is no problem with that. So this is the sixth observation here. These are the 5 and 6. So the median is, which is called Q2, that is 72 kg. Okay, now let's find the lower quartile and the upper quartile. Now, since there are 11 values, okay, so exactly, let me draw it here. Like this is the sixth observation here, okay, and you have 5 here and 5 here, okay. So these are the first 5 observations, and these are the last 5 observations. Altogether, these are 11 observations. So the median of the first 5 observations should be our lower quartile. So 5 plus 1 over 2, that is going to be third. So the third observation is the lower quartile. This is 1, 2, 3. So this is the third observation here. That is our lower quartile. Okay. So this is this Q1 is going to be 65 kg. And similarly, from here, the third, from the last 5. So this is 1, 2, 3. This is the third observation here. Okay. So the upper quartile is going to be 80 kg. And we have to find the interquartile range. So the interquartile range is going to be 80 minus 65. That is 15 kg. Okay. Okay, this is the question from March 18, variant 62. Look at this. Suppose I have to do this question in the exam, and you see there's no space given for the cumulative frequency distribution. Okay, so now I have this the first point that I have 3 and then 120. Then I should tell myself that I'll be taking 4 from here. Okay, and what would be the cumulative frequency against that? That would be like, you can write here the cumulative frequency. Okay, this is going to be 120, this is going to be 300. Okay, and then for this t is less than 5, you have 500. Then t is less than or equal to 6, you have 660. T is less than or equal to 8, you have 770. T is less than or equal to 10, so you have 850, yes. And then for t is less than or equal to 14, you have got 900. Okay. So this is the data that you have to, and for this 3, you have 120. Okay. Then you must let me assume that we have less between 0 and 3, that is going to be 120. So that you can have the first lower class limit, which is going to be 0, okay, less than 0, and the cumulative frequency should be 0 against that. This is very important. Otherwise, your cumulative frequency graph will not be starting any of the axes, okay? So I have to slide this a bit up here, or should I should be able to decrease its size a bit. Okay. Uh, hmm. Okay. So this is like this. Okay, you can excuse me for that. Okay. Now we have to have the scale here. So we have to go up to 14. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yeah, I can take it like this. This is your 0 here. This is your 2. This is your 4. This is your 6. This is 8, 10, 12, 14, and this is showing the time, okay? And the frequency has to go up to 900, oh, 200, 400, 600, yeah. So I'll be taking this as, this is going to be 200, this is going to be 400, this is going to be 600, and this is going to be, so you see, you have to take your scale very sensibly, okay? This is going to be 1000 here. So now the first point is going to be 0, comma 0. The next point is going to be 2. I mean, there is this 5, I think, Hannah. Let me erase this. This is, oh, sorry, there is 3. So I have 120 against this 3. Mhm. So there is the 3 over here, exactly in the middle here. So, uh, this is going to be really put my eyes in trouble. So there are 10 small blocks here, which are showing 200. So every small block is going to show, one small block is showing 20 here, okay? So I have to count till 6 here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you should have 120 over here. This is your 120. Then we have at 4 we have 300. Yeah, I can mark this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your 300 here. Okay, then we have for the 6, sorry, for the 5 we have 500. So 5 is going to be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is going to be this. Okay. And then we have at 6, we have 660. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 660. Okay. Then at 8, we have 770. 8, 770. So 3 down here. No, 1.5 down here. This is 770. At 10, we have 850. This is 1, 2.5. This is your 850. And at 14, we have 900. So this is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so somehow I have managed. You can excuse me, you can forgive me for any mistake here. It says we have to draw again. We are told to draw a graph here. Okay, so we should be joining this through the lines. So this is the cumulative frequency graph, okay? And then it says use the graph to estimate the median time taken by the students to complete the puzzle. So where would you think we should have the median? Hmm? क्यों भाई? What is the total frequency? Hmm?
900. So the median will be at 450.
Yeah, so half of 900. Half of 900 is going to be 450. So against 450, this is going to be 2, 4, 6, 8, 500. This is 500 here. Oh, I have made a mistake here. Nobody noticed that. Hmm? Uh, yes. You need to draw this very carefully. One small box was showing 20. So, yeah. So this 450 should be 20. It should be here, 450. Here it is 450. So if I go down like this, So here every small unit is going to represent, there are 10, so 2, this is 0.2, this is 4.4. So this is 4.4 is the median here. Okay, I think that is it from the day. And it is your turn now to practice all these questions. Only then you can be, you can master all these skills.